Hello everybody and welcome back to one of my now legendary walking tours. And I'm not going to promise I'm not going to get lost, but I'm going to attempt not to get lost. So I'm starting today by VLT Restaurant. Now, in one of my other walking tours, I ended it at Harry's Bar, where they do a English roast dinner. This is the other place that I spoke about that also does a Sunday roast on a Sunday. Oh, this is starting so well, isn't it? So I think this one is about $7-ish, and it's really nice. The portions aren't quite so big, but actually in this heat, that's great. And sometimes I still don't manage to finish it all. So I thought I would start here, and I'm actually going to walk into town to go and treat myself to a pedicure. So I thought you can come with me. So from VLT Bar and Cafe, we are going to walk down towards Pub Street direction. Right now, I am on Funky Lane, which is where VLT is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a pin to VLT so that you have the starting spot of this walking tour, and then you can hopefully follow where I am going. So when we come down, we will get to a crossroads. Just here at this crossroads, I'm going to take a left. And this will take you down to, where's it going to take you? It's going to take you down to the night market. There is a restaurant called Smash My Bun. Oh, and let me show you these. These are like bananas that are barbecued. They are totally delicious. But no barbecued bananas for me today, as I'm on a mission to get a pedicure, which I am really looking forward to. And I am nothing but predictable, so I'm heading down to a place that I have been to several times before. It's really strange walking down here during the day, because at night this little street comes alive, it really does. There is a restaurant just down here which I've been to a few times. Oh, I've never noticed that. That is that Urban? Yeah, the Urban. They've got lots of like children's bits there as well. It looks very nice. I've never actually been in before. Pizza's not really my thing, so. But yeah, this is the little restaurant that I've been to many a time. I have met Dean and Alan in there a few times. Each time they ask me to meet them there, I end up at a, oh, if you can hear me with the cars going by, I always end up at a different restaurant. I've done it twice now. And yes, Dean did take the mickey out of me. I probably deserved it. So this is the night market, but because it is in the morning, is it in the morning? No, it's early afternoon now. Everything is shut up. So we're going to continue down to the end of this road, and actually I'm going to be able to show you my favourite massage spot, which is called Massage Night Market, I think. So I'm going to stop here so that you can see where I am. I've just walked down there. Onederz Hostel is up there. And just there, I will drop an arrow so you can see properly. That is my favourite massage. It's just got wicker chairs outside and it is lovely. So again, this is the night market area with the shops around here. I have been in here a couple of times as well. They do delicious food in there. Really nice. And now we're coming down. Actually, I might stop for an orange coffee because just down here is a restaurant, bar, coffee shop type place, and they do my favourite orange coffees. So, on the walk down, shall we stop for an orange coffee? I don't know whether you can see, there's a sign there that says Anchor, and that's where it is. It's right on the crossroads of Sok San Road. Right, cross the road without getting run over. Oh, bit of construction going on in there. I love the way they use angle grinders in flip-flops. Right. I'm just going to call in here and get myself a little orange coffee in my favourite place. Here we go. I have got my orange coffee, which I am going to enjoy on the walk down. I have now made it to Sok San Road. So this is the crossroads here where the corner zone is, and I'm going to get away from the construction and wander down Sok San Road towards Pub Street. This place here is actually new. It's only been there for a few weeks, but it seemed to be quite popular already.
Hello,
So here is Jungle Burger. I have been in there before and it was absolutely delicious. It really was. Highly recommend that one. Sok San Road is actually quite a long road. It comes all the way from Pub Street. And I'm not quite sure how many miles long it is. If I find out, I will put it over the top just here. Now here we have got Bella's Pizza. If I'm not going to get run over by the big car. So Bella's Pizza is where they do a quiz night on a Sunday, and they also do rock and roll bingo on what day is it? On a Friday. And the money from the rock and roll bingo actually goes towards helping NGOs and schools as well. So if you're here on a Friday night and fancy doing a little bit of rock and roll bingo, there is karaoke afterwards, which is great fun. Make your way down there for a Friday, and actually it helps local children and local schools. And here is the Khmer Lady Tastes Day, which anybody that has watched my channel for a while will know that I really enjoy the food in there. And also, if you do go in there, look out for my Nan with a Backpack sticker on the wall. Maybe take a picture of yourself next to it and send it to me. Right, we are now down. So there is Pub Street. Let me try and cross this road before I get run over. It's obviously very quiet here at the moment. And I am going to walk down. I am almost there, not far to go now. There is a shop down there where you can, they often have sales. They've got some good clothing. So stay. And just in case anybody wonders, so stay means hello. So this is what I actually like to call Umbrella Street. You can probably see why, because of the umbrellas at the top here. But I think it's actually called Alley M. Just here is another shop. They do some lovely clothes in there. Blush clothing. I've been asked many a time whereabouts it is. So if you follow my walk today, hopefully you will be able to find it. And I am almost down to where I'm going to be getting my pedicure today. Across the road there is a bar called Beatnik, which I might have been in once or twice. I'll take the fifth on that because I don't want to incriminate myself. And here is Viva 2, I believe. So Sinead and I enjoyed many a afternoon in there, having a Cuba Libre. And we are now right down, this is the night market just here. And where I am going, did I say that was the night market or did I say that's the old market? It's the old market. And the reason I said it's the night market, because straight in front of me is the night market. So I have now made it to the place where I'm going to get my pedicure done, which is right here. So it's the massage and spa, and this is all the different things that they do. So I am going to go for a foot scrub today. And just like that, an alarm goes off that's really loud. But anyway, I'm going to drink my orange coffee and enjoy my pedicure. And if you haven't liked, subscribed, hit the bell button, given me a height, and if you'd like to buy me a coffee, now is a really good time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.